Oh, I didn't hear him. Hello. Hello up there in wherever you are over there. I've got no idea which camera I'm on. Welcome to a session called Shoot the Ads. All right, it's not inspired by Ant and Dec's Saturday Night Takeaway. It's not win the ads, it's shoot the ads, yeah? So because we're in lingerie shooting months on the Academy, we've got a great model. Come on in, Ella Ray, even kind of thing. Let's go to a camera, that one, so we can see her as well with it. I like the wides. Okay, so say hi up there. Right, we got chaos going in, yeah? We've got a load of images that we're going to, I've selected from ads online. Ella Ray, just at lunchtime, she went through them and chose what kind of clothing that she might have. What we're trying to do is 5 shots in 25 minutes, completely different. So as you can see, Studio One has loads of kit. Yep, and Studio Window, as it were, has loads of kit as well with it. Okay, so we've got lots and lots of stuff going on. Probably the slowest thing is going to be me, my age, my back. Quickest thing is going to be a woman, always is. So let's go live, shall we? So there is going to be 5 shots plus 1. We are going to do model's choice. And I've just mixed model's choice in now, so oops. But we know which one it is. Oh, that's model's choice, isn't it? Yeah. Just by pure coincidence. That is model's choice. We will be doing that shot no matter what because she wants to do it, okay? So anyway, fluffing them up, bow, choose a card, any card. Don't look. Okay, so go get changed. Great, so nice and easy shot in fact really. It's more of a window light set than anything else. So I'm going to opt for highlight in fact, yeah, to kind of get the image. So just to prove that you kind of just get on and do it. Let's just switch it on, get it in as it were. D, and then we'll just zip the highlight around it. So because it's a plain background, I need to get rid of these other parts a minute. So I'm just going to get rid of this one, get rid of that offset. Pretty much don't need to worry about that. And of course the backgrounds, we want to get rid of this. So we kind of just had the idea of that. I think too many of us use time as an excuse not to do new things or different things. So we just thought if we can kind of try and shoot an image every 5 minutes, it might just encourage you to really look at something a little bit different, yeah? So, meter, next thing. So I just happened to look, and that was on group 4. So I'm going to get her just in the feather of the light. As a rule, I would tend to actually use the light in this side, so it's going away from me instead of direct in. So, you know what? I'd usually work in that way. I was just looking what you had on then. Okay, so I'd usually work with the light coming in the opposite direction. This gives me more of a softer light than a harder light. And from here now, I'm expecting Ella to be around about in this position. I shoot to f4 as you know anyway, so let's just meter it. Wrong button. But stop and a half. It's 2.8, 2. Okay, so there's my f4. Yep, so there's my desired kind of equivalent of what I want. Let's just put a trigger on. I don't have a Elinchrom trigger on camera. It's gone. Hang on a minute. Trigger. Okay, so let's switch on. Make sure we're connected into to Capture One. Give it 20 seconds to come up to speed. F4. Let's put it in color mode because that's what the image was. So let's just do a quick test shot just to check we got the feed, which we have. Okay, let's have a look at the image. Right, so what are we doing? It's basically a almost a full body image to camera, and there is a slight kind of shirt. Can you grab a shirt there or something to just drop off the edge? Here's one, no. There's something, or a chiffon-y kind of thing. There's got to be something there, I'm sure. So obviously we haven't got the set in place, but we can definitely shoot this image, yeah? We could always go across to Studio One's window and actually shoot over towards that direction with natural light. Perhaps before we finish, we'll do that anyway. Excellent, darling, let's go just the other side of the white floor, please. That's it. Come over to me, that's great. Go back a touch more, I lied. Yeah, and slight turn with the feet towards here. That's great. And I think what are you doing with your hands? Your left hand is going across to the belly button position, and your other hand looks like it's kind of either coming up to the bra, it's a little bit invisible, or, yeah, we'll do that one anyway. So let's do the same shot. Let's just check it comes through. So pretty much there, we've got our image coming through with it. The only thing that we're missing is detail of that background, but we literally just mimicked the kind of the style in the shot. What I would do to make this a little bit more natural for me then would be, let's do the same shot here again, that's good. Right, let's push the right knee across there, turn the body that way a little bit more. Can you pretty much go onto toe, that's it, and look down towards here and just actually kind of really push this. That's gorgeous there, let's do it. And again. Lean against the wall for me just a touch. Lean that way a little bit. So we might lose a little bit of light, but let's look first. And just back into here, looking down towards here again. That's cool, let's do it. And then to develop it on, if you turn your back to me, do you not, step up to me again, I lied. And keep rotating. Keep, there you go. And looking down towards here now. That's gorgeous there, let's do it. Let's lose the right hand, that's lovely. Bring both of the jacket around towards the belly button and put the hands in the middle. And that's gorgeous. Looking to me, looking down, looking to me again. I like that. Just bring both hands up just to the middle of the tummy. Straight at me again, that's lovely. 1 second. Keep it. Twist the body to me a little bit more. Happier, faking it. That's lovely. Straight at me again, Ella. Racks. Yeah, shot one done. Okay. So, next image. Ella, your choice. Anything? Are you looking? Yeah. Awesome. Okay, right. Okay, yeah. This is going to be one of my kind of choices. That's going to take you a couple of minutes to get ready, isn't it? Wow. Go.